Oh yeah.
What's up guys, we're Dude Perfect. Welcome to Airsoft Battle Royale. Here we go! Woo!
Dude Perfect.
Today's battle is simple. Each of us will be scattered throughout the map to scavenge for weapons and eliminate opponents by popping their balloons. Last man standing wins.
Purple Hoser here.
What's up guys? Core here.
Kobe checking into the game.
Cody here.
What's up guys? Ty.
Let's see what loot we can find. Could really use some shoes.
Ready for more? We set fire to life. Are you ready?
There we go. First weapon find and a backpack. Yeah, I don't think I really need a backpack. I gotta get off the road. These rocks are killing me. Oh no, that was bad. Okay, grenade, that's gonna come in handy. And a backpack, got a backpack. 2 more backpacks. Oh, that's an Uzi.
Let's go baby, there's my rifle.
I think we got a gun range. Okay, 4 more backpacks. So for those of you that don't know, Chad and Tim set up the course, and whoever was responsible for the North Swamp, I'm gonna kill him. Nice, the game makers are too kind. All right, got everything I need. Just gotta find a good place to camp. We sit, we hide, we don't go out into the action. That's how you get shot. I think we're gonna get on the golf cart. That's bumpy. Oh, goodness gracious. We got an airdrop. We gotta go. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a sniper! It's like a podium in a box! Oh, there's a crate. Frying pan. Boat. There's Kobe. Oh, he doesn't even see me. I'm gonna get in this truck and snipe him. It's gonna make way too much noise. It looks like he's using a paddle. I am very confused right now. No need to rush this. Cannot miss this shot.
Are you ready for more?
Oh! Gotta get to cover.
Oh, we got a runner. He's running away.
He's ready for more?
Going down, Purple Hoser.
Are you ready for
I got him! Did he get me? He's the oh gosh. Dadgummit, I think he got me. I gotta bail.
All right, it looks like I got 2 balloons down on Kobe. He just took off in the woods. I did run out of ammo on my pistol. I'm gonna go back, get my sniper, start heading to town.
Clear the other side. Let's go find some people.
All right, my balloons are right here in a safe, secure location. All I've gotta do is wait them out, baby. And I'm gonna be sitting here taking a siesta. Okay. Oh, God, you got right there, it's Corey. Oh, out of ammo. Oh.
Did you get one of mine?
You got 2.
What? I handled that so wrong. I thought I could hide behind these barrels, but my balloons stick up. Obviously. There's Kobe.
Oh God,
Taking fire. Uzi's down. Yeah! I got him first! I got him first! 100%! Let's go!
All right, here's the deal. Kobe and I just shot each other at the same time. Technically, it's not actually the same time because I shot him a little before he shot me.
Like a millisecond.
But ultimately, it doesn't matter because neither of us have balloons anymore.
We're not happy about it, but we're both out.
gotta get up top. Pretty sure I got 2 pops on Corey, and I am in desperate need of a new weapon. I'm gonna try and search around here, see if I can find something. I need a gun. Bang, let's go.
Are you ready for more?
Ah! Dang it!
We set fire to life.
Oh wow, that's a lot of bullets. Ah! Oh, he's on fire. Oh, grenade!
Go ahead, animal sky.
Oh!
Dealing with the savage who will never be the same.
Oh yeah. I'm getting out of here. There we go. That's what I need. I think someone's downstairs.
Got him. I got a balloon.
All right, boy. I'm in it to win it, baby.
Cody, you camper! Did I hit you?
You did not.
Oh shit. AK. Not worth it.
Light him up, baby. Got time. I got time.
Dang it, I got caught! I'm eliminated!
This gun's amazing. That was so worth it.
You got nothing, boy. Come on with it.
Oh gosh! Laying down fire. Send him some warning shots there.
Oh gosh, he's got a pistol.
You know what?